course, yes. So that at the same time again he heard the voice of that sore kangaroo. So Horton already promised that he would be in with them in their thick and thins. Thick and thins means in their ups and downs. So there again he heard the voice of the sore kangaroo. She was telling, almost 2 days you have run wild and insisted on chatting with the persons who never existed. That means with all the trouble Horton had, the sore kangaroo was behind it. And we have quite enough of your bellowing bugle. I am here to state, snapped the big kangaroo, that your silly nonsensical game is all though. And the young kangaroo in her pouch said, me too. That means all the Wickersham brothers, the Blood Ike, that eagle, and the kangaroos were joined, and they were troubling Horton and his friends. So now is the time the Wickersham brothers came with their full group, and what they did, they tried to snatch the or make Horton's friends pay for it. So what they did, so they bought a big cage for Horton, and for the dust pig they found that Sore Kangaroo said, we are going to boil it into the hazelnut oil. Oh my goodness, so bad, so mean. So Horton pleaded to the mayor, you have got to prove now that you really existed. So now all of you who are a holler, means you have to shout loudly so that your voice can be heard, and you shouldn't be boiled. So what happened in the dust pig, it was the mayor was scared, and he got a big meeting in the Whoville's town square, and all people were crying loudly, and they were crying, we are here, we are here, we are here. And the elephant was smiling, see, it is clear. But kangaroo said, we cannot hear it, only the breeze was there. So the young kangaroo again said, neither. So they shouted to grab Horton. Grab means catch Horton, and drop the cage. And what they did, they bought a long rope with one end tied in a loop, and they tried to catch Horton, and and that loop was tied tight to Horton's belly. And what happened, they said, now we are going to boil that speck of dust in the hazelnut juice. But Horton was fighting with the Wickersham brothers and everybody, but they were too many for him. They tried to put him into the cage, but what happened? He was telling a person, and Mayor was also encouraging him not to give up, because Horton was their only hope. And you can see here everybody was producing sound. But Horton was telling, I am hearing you, but what they cannot. So are you sure that everybody was there? So he searched for everybody, but what happened? He found his own son in the Fairfax apartment of the Applewhite Tower. So he told them, we have got to make the noise as every voice climbed. So what happened? Jojo, the son of the mayor, he climbed on the top, and he cleared his throat and shouted out very loudly, yop. And that yop actually was finally heard, and it rang clear and clean. So it was proved that there are actually persons, very small persons, and the whole world was there. Then the kangaroo had to believe that there are smallest persons. It knew And she said, now you know what I'm planning to do. So what she said, she realized her mistake and she said, I'm going to protect them with you. And that is how the small kangaroo also joined and it saved me too. So that was the end of the story, and Horton was able to save his friends. Why the store kangaroo want to punish Horton? Was he doing the right thing? And who were helping it to do so? What made the kangaroo change its mind? Do you think the Horton was doing the right thing? You need to answer this questions.